Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CWIR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. This is this one a few days ago. I can't remember the exact date, but point being, that's where these red line and green lines down here are coming from. And on that note, because the price has made such a nice move since the last update and video chart I did, I'm just going to do some house cleaning and delete all these lines out of here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion, so I want to just try to keep this as clean as possible. So let's start first by mapping out some of the newer levels of support. The first area is what I would consider the ideal area of support. If you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 0046. As you can see here, already a couple times the bears try to press down through there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls have been doing a great job of holding strong. So if that can continue to happen, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bulls' part. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can continue to stay up above it, that would definitely be an ideal situation. Next area of support after that, down here at 004. So 0046, 004, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line right here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very cut and dry point of view in terms of, hey Clay, how do I gauge the health? How do I gauge the strength of the move? This right here being defined as the move. Simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line increases, the price is in full, full health. The bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is the easiest way to approach that. Just use that purple line. What about areas of resistance? Key battleground going into next week. I'm sure if you're watching level 2s today, then you know exactly where I'm headed with this, but right up there at 0052. On several occasions today, the bulls try to push up through that mark, but it seems as though the sellers, that's where they've decided to camp out. So right now, 0052 is that key hurdle that needs to be cleared for next week. But all in all, no doubt about it, very nice way to end the week. And as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, the overall chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.